Let's talk about lemons and lemon juice. So we've got fresh lemon here. Please use fresh lemon. They're not that expensive. The flavor that you get out of a lemon is so vibrant. If you buy that bottled juice, I'm sorry, I've lost you. You're not my friend anymore. No, really, I'd like you to stay with the fresh citrus. It's a huge, huge addition. So I've juiced lemons here, and I'm going to add the lemon juice, but at the end. This is another important tip. We don't want our soup boiling when we add the lemon juice because it tends to just separate. But I'm going to take you through it, and if it does separate, where is it? The whisk is your best friend, absolutely, because it can whisk you back into a smooth soup. Okay, so we have our chicken ready, or our turkey. We have our egg yolks whisked with our cream. We have our lemon juice all juiced and ready. And I'm just going to tell you while we're waiting for everything to come to a boil, because soups are so much about just waiting for things to come to a boil. But it's also relaxing because you're not stressed thinking, wait, I got to hurry here. I have some very thinly sliced lemons here that we're going to place on the finished soup. What I love to do in all my cooking, but in soups particularly, is I like to use an ingredient in two different ways. So there'll be lemon juice in the soup, and then we'll put a lemon garnish on top. And that way you're accentuating this fresh lemon flavor in two different ways, and it really comes at you, and it just really builds flavor dimension.